Hi guys, Nathan here from JS Powersports. Today I'm going to show you how to test the new start-stop switch on a 2021 Krash foot rocket. And I've done a few things ahead of time. I've got my multimeter hooked up here on the 200 ohm scale, if you can see that. Some of you may have a diode check which will beep at you, which could also be handy. I have gone back in this left rear corner and I have dug out the 4-pin plug. I currently have paper clips, small ones, put into place there so I can easily read this. And the white-black wires, which are kitty corner across from each other, when I hit the stop button here, it's going to show almost 0 ohms of resistance. So that part of it's good. Now I'm going to switch the pins right here to the red and orange wire and check the start switch. And there we have our pins changed over. And here's my start switch. Around 50 ohms of resistance. So it could be as low as 20. It could just be my meter reading a little funny too. But that's it in a nutshell.